Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the class. Today, we will start a new chapter in geography. It's industry. As we have studied about agriculture, the previous chapter in geography was agriculture, and in the starting of the chapter, we have seen that economic activities can be divided into three categories. The first is primary activity, the second is secondary, and the third is tertiary. And we have seen the differences between these three activities. In the first activity, which is called primary activity, natural resources are used in the economic activity, and the product the thing which is produced is also natural. The best example of primary activity is agriculture, and the whole chapter was about agriculture. And now this is your chapter industry, which is associated with the secondary activity, which is also known as manufacturing. Okay, so we are dealing with secondary activities or manufacturing. So what is done in this activity, that raw materials are changed into such products which are more valuable, which are more usable. Like you can see the example of paper. You use paper, we all use paper, which is very much important for us, which is very much vital for us. How this paper is made? Paper is made by the main ingredient, or we can say the raw material for making of the paper is wood. So first of all, the paper which you are using presently was actually a part of a tree. Then it was cut down, and then it was transported to the pulp mill. And in the pulp mill, the wood of the tree was processed. उसकी processing हुई, and after the processing of the wood of the tree, it was converted into wood pulp. Okay, and then this wood pulp was mixed with chemical, and then it was converted into paper by machines. So this is the whole process in which we see that wood which comes from tree becomes paper, and then the paper goes to the press, where ink is used to print the lines on the pages. When you see ruled notebooks, lines are there on the pages. These lines are printed on the paper by the use of ink. So in this way the paper is made, and then they all bound together in the form of a notebook, and then packed, and then sent to the market for sale, and then it finally reach to you, है ना. तो इस तरह से एक बहुत ही लंबा प्रोसेस है, जिसमें वुड जो कि कंपैरेटिवली कम वैल्यूएबल मटेरियल था, इट वाज चेंज्ड इनटू पेपर विच इज़ मोर वैल्यूएबल, मोर यूजफुल, है ना. लाइकवाइज जो कॉटन होता है, जो कि कॉटन प्लांट्स में जो कॉटन होते हैं, प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, these cotton are used as raw material for textile industry. जो the cloth which we use is made from cotton only. So this is the process. Raw material होता है, ठीक है. You have to understand like this. रॉ मटेरियल होता है, इसकी प्रोसेसिंग होती है ना, and this processing change the raw material into finished material, finished goods. When something is raw material, then its value is less, है ना. Less valuable, less usable. When it turns into finished good, it becomes more valuable. More valuable and more usable. Okay. So these all things are known as industry. Industry is an economic activity which is related to the production of goods, है ना. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रही है, गुड्स का प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है. इट इज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स. Other than production of goods, it is also related to extraction of minerals or the provision of services, है ना. Like iron and steel industry which produces goods, है ना. इसी तरह से there is coal mining industry in which extraction of minerals is taking place. Extraction of coal is taking place. Likewise, there is other industry like tourism industry, which is providing service to the people. Okay, so these are the three various forms of industry. First is production of goods. What is the example? The example is this, like iron and steel industry. Second is, which comes under the secondary activity, is extraction of minerals. Example is coal mining industry. Here also you must understand that extraction of minerals, it is associated with natural resources, and still we are considering this in secondary activity. Why? Because such a heavy machines are involved in extraction of these minerals, and the whole setup is of industry, है ना. So this also comes under the secondary activity. And then we have seen just now the third activity under this is provision of service or service provider. Example is tourism industry. Okay, here also you must understand that this service and the service which is given in the tertiary sector is different. यहाँ पर जो service मिल रहा है that is to the consumer, and the services which is provided in a tertiary sector is to the primary and secondary sector. Okay, so we have done up to this, and now we will see that the industries can be classified on so many bases. Like the first basis is raw material, then they can also be classified on the basis of size, then on the basis of ownership. And these are the bases, these are the criteria on the basis of which the industries can be classified. So the first classification of industry. The first basis is on the basis of raw material. On the basis of raw material, we can categorize the industry as agro-industry, agro-based industry, mineral-based industry, marine-based industry, and forest-based industry. So, we can write it based on raw material. On this basis, we can divide the industries into 4 parts. Agro-based industry. The second is the second is mineral-based industry. Not second, we will write down B. The third is marine-based industry. And the last one is that forest-based industry. So now what do we mean by agro-based industry? Agro-based industries are those industries which use plant and animal-based products as their raw material. रॉ मटेरियल के बेसिस पे ये क्लासिफिकेशन हुआ है. तो एग्रो बेस्ड जो एग्रीकल्चर पर बेस्ड है, जहाँ पर जो रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ हो रहा है दैट रॉ मटेरियल इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स, है ना. प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स या एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स को वी आर यूजिंग एज रॉ मटेरियल, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. लाइक फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं, जैम, देन पिकल्स, है ना, पापड़, ये सब बनाने वाले जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ होती हैं दे आर फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज़. और इनका जो रॉ मटेरियल है वो कहाँ से आ रहा है? एग्रीकल्चर प्लांट से आ रहा है ना. तो दीज आर कॉल्ड एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. इसी तरह से और भी है, जैसे वेजिटेबल ऑयल का इंडस्ट्री है, कॉटन टेक्सटाइल, द रॉ मटेरियल इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम द प्लांट ओनली, है ना. डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, द रॉ मटेरियल इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स. So then leather industry, for leather also the raw material is coming from animals. So these are the examples of agro based industry. You must remember the example, है ना. बहुत ज़्यादा याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can understand it very well if you think in a logical manner. You will be able to understand it. Okay, and now we have another category, that is mineral based industry. What is the meaning of mineral based industry? Those industry that use mineral ores as their raw material, जहाँ पर इंडस्ट्री जो है वो मिनरल ओर को रॉ मटेरियल में यूज़ करती है ना. सो लाइक इस तरह की जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ होते हैं विच यूज़ मिनरल ओर्स एज देयर रॉ मटेरियल, एक्चुअली दे फीड द अदर इंडस्ट्रीज़, है ना, उन पर ही डिपेंडेंट हो जाती हैं अदर इंडस्ट्रीज़. लाइक अगर हम इफ़ वी सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री, व्हाट वी फाइंड दैट iron which is made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry, and now this iron is used as raw material for the manufacturing of so many other products, है ना. लाइक हेवी मशीनरी है, जो हेवी मशीनरी की इंडस्ट्री होगी उसके लिए रॉ मटेरियल क्या होगा? द रॉ मटेरियल विल बी आयरन, नॉट आयरन ओर, है ना. आयरन ओर वॉज अ नेचुरल मिनरल हमेशा नेचुरल होते हैं. तो आयरन ओर वॉज अ मिनरल, and by this mineral iron was extracted in the iron and steel industry, and now this iron is used as raw material for other industries, है ना. हेवी मशीनरी के लिए, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स की जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ होती हैं, रेलवे कोचेस की जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ होते हैं, उन सब का रॉ मटेरियल क्या है? आयरन है. ओके, तो इसको हम कहते हैं मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. एंड देन कम्स मरीन बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. मरीन क्या होता है? MARINE. मरीन मीन्स सी से रिलेटेड, ठीक है. तो जो सी और ओशन के प्रोडक्ट्स को जहाँ पर रॉ मटेरियल में यूज़ किया जाता है, दैट इंडस्ट्री इज़ नोन एज मरीन बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज, है ना. लाइक सी फूड की जो प्रोसेसिंग करने वाली इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं, उनका raw material, from where they are getting the raw material? They are getting the raw material from this sea and ocean, है ना. इसी तरह से फिश ऑयल की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने वाली इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, वो भी they are also getting their raw material from the sea and the ocean. तो इस तरह के इंडस्ट्रीज को हम मरीन बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री कहते हैं. एंड लास्ट इज फॉरेस्ट बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. Forest based industries are those industries which are using forest produce as raw material, है ना, जो फॉरेस्ट के प्रोड्यूस को रॉ मटेरियल की तरह यूज़ करता है. लाइक फर्नीचर की इंडस्ट्री जो है, दैट फर्नीचर इंडस्ट्री इज यूजिंग द द प्रोड्यूस ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. लाइक वुड है, केन है, ऑल दीज आर प्रोड्यूस ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. देन फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, medicines are also made from various types of plants which are found in forest, है ना. तो this also comes under forest based industry. Like then pulp and paper, which we have discussed just now. Pulp and paper industry is also comes under forest based industry because इसका जो raw material है वो forest से मिलता है. Okay, so these are the classification of industry on the basis of raw material. Likewise, we can also classify the industry on the basis of its size also. Okay, now we will see what are the different categories of industries on the basis of size. Okay, so first of all I am going to erase this. On the basis of size, the first is small scale and the second is large scale. This is the second criteria, and on this criteria we can divide it into small scale industry and the B is large scale industry. Okay, so we will discuss about these and many other things in the next class.